So I had an idea for a mask, a homemade mask with materials that you have in your home right now, but you don't need to sew, you don't need to do anything, you just need to kind of put it all together. So here's the idea. All you need is a little bit of tin foil, some shoestrings, and a tea towel. So the first thing you need to do is just take a little piece of tin foil, pull it out, a little sheet like that maybe. I'm not going to need this whole thing, so I'm going to tear it in half, and I'll use the second half for another mask later on. But for the bridge piece that will form around my nose, I just need a little flat rectangular piece, and just by folding over and over and over again, I get something, and that's probably enough, I get something that will form just around my nose. Okay, so there's that piece. Then I need to take the tea towel and just lay it out on the counter. This will be the top of the mask up here, this will be the bottom. And I want to measure this in about thirds, so that might be about a third, maybe that's a third, and there's another third. And I want to take the shoestrings and lay them across the mask. This will be a piece at the bottom. So I'll go ahead and lay that shoestring there, and then fold that piece up. Fold that piece up. And then I want to take the other shoestring, and this piece will actually help the shoestring not fall out of place. I'm going to put it right down below the top of this third, and I'm going to move this piece down, and that'll hold it in place. And then I need the small piece that I made to be the bridge of my nose. So I'm going to put this right here on top, right there, and then I'm going to fold this whole piece down. So now I have two strings, and this isn't going to fall apart when I pick it up, and I have the little bridge piece right here in top that will go around my nose. So now what you do, you're picking up the mask, pick it up just like this. See the strings right there, and that little bridge piece is right in the middle, and this string on the bottom, that doesn't fall because it's all looped together. And I'm going to put this under my nose, under my glasses. I'm going to hold this on top and then tie a little bow in the back. I'm going to try to tie a little bow in the back. There's one part of the bow. Got one bunny ear. And now another bunny ear. So that's got it in the back. I'm going to take these two strings here and bring this around my chin. And I'm going to tie this right on top here. So you see, I'm going to tie a little bow right on top. Put that just like that. That's on top of my head. It'll hold the mask in place. I'm going to take this little piece right here that went around my nose, and I'm going to press the foil around. And now I have a mask that I can kind of breathe through. And you can see it's right around my head here. Right around my head here. It's all sealed nicely there and sealed around the neck. So there you go, a mask that you can make at home. Have fun and be safe.